Odell Complete Concrete. Odell Complete Concrete.
Hi, this is David Odell, and this is kind of a follow-up to the block wall video that I did, and I'll have that linked in the description. But right now, this is the double swing wrought iron gate being built. And this happens to be right by my house. I happen to go over here all the time and do little projects with Saul. He's a welder over here, and he's building the gates. That's kind of his specialty, building gates and wrought iron railings for all sorts of things. So he's gonna show you basically how this is done, and then it's gonna go from just raw steel all the way to a completed project, powder coated, painted, metallized, so that this paint is pretty much bulletproof. It lasts, 50 years without having to touch it. It's gonna go through that entire process, and then we're gonna also show it being hung at the site. So take a look at this and get an idea of how it's done in the real world. And this is how they make stuff. And if you'll notice, he doesn't wear the safety glasses. I offered him some, but he said that he'd been doing this for 40 years and he doesn't have a problem. And if one of the sparks or the metal flakes goes into his eyes, he just takes his fingernail and scrapes it out. That's what he was telling me. I thought, wow, that is pretty tough. No, but it really is a way if you know your tools and you know which way the grindings are flying, you know how to hold it. So this is the security screening or privacy mesh going on. He's gonna line all this up and cut it to fit. But before it gets attached, it's gonna go and get metallized and powder coated first, and then it gets attached after that. That way, there's no raw metal. It's completely covered 100%. All right, I'm back at the metal shop with Saul. Just got the gates back from, these went to California to get the powder coat. Now they've came back, so he's attaching the security screens going on, and here's what's holding it. This little piece right here, plus a lot of screws. All right, here we are back at the job site. You can see the block wall there. And we're gonna close that up with a double swing. You can see this block wall build. I'll put a link in the description so you can check it out. You notice how he drilled those bolts in that hold the gate into the wall? You notice how they were drilled on an angle? He said, I asked him about that. I said, why are you drilling it crooked? He goes, oh yeah, you gotta do it this way because it can't pull the screw out when the weight hits it if it's on an angle. If they're straight in, they pull out a lot easier.
All right, so we've got this gate
that's
hung.
the difference.
Looks like it's gonna fit real nicely. We're just gonna have to nip off 3/8 of an inch off of this because we're just that much higher than this other gate. So that means the concrete is sloping. So that's why we have to make a little adjustment here.
Saul loves this tool right here. He said these things right here are the best for working with metal. And he can cut pretty straight. He cut real straight with that. No pencil mark, no square, just eyeball it.
Bueno, allá, un poquito para acá, ¿no? Allá sí. Ahí.
So they just line the gates up so it's perfectly straight with the wall. And that's how you know where to drill the hole.
So this job is located in Needles, California. I cover pretty much Mohave County, all that area, Arizona, California. So if anyone needs any kind of metal work or block or concrete, give me a call. You can reach out to me through my website, my Instagram or Facebook, and it's all in the description. And here's Marcelo. He's getting that latch ready to hook up.
Gotta make sure this one always have up.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna have to be like this.
Oh, it has an up on it?
Yeah.
There's an arrow that points up on the latch. So that's what he was showing, that arrow's got to be pointing up. Although the lettering is written both directions, so it could be upside down, you could still read it. But so you really want to look for the arrow.
Yeah, that latched nicely.
There it is, a nice double swing gate. The way that gate on the right side works, it swings open and then touches the garage. So you could put it like another latch on the side of that garage there if you wanted to hold it open if it was windy or something. So it worked out real good. Also, it would double as a lock. If you wanted to just put the dogs between the garage and the wall, you could swing that gate open and latch it there. Then you'd have an enclosure for animals too, possibly, but your other gate would be open though to the alley at the same time. All right, thanks for watching the video. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. If you have any questions concerning your future project or ongoing project, get me on consultation through my website at Odell Complete Concrete. Thank you. Bye.